I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Good morning, happy Saturday. I guess it's not actually morning at all. It is 12:30 in the afternoon. Connor and I stayed in bed until like noon. And then finally got up because we had no idea what to do with our day, and we still sort of don't, so we'll see. But we have an exciting meal plan for today, which will be very, very good.
Shocking.
Yeah, right. Us eating? No. No, it's very rare. So I think we're gonna go for a walk, pick up some Starbucks, and then go to the grocery store and pick up some supplies we need. Then head back to Connor's and see how the day unfolds.
Maybe look at some apartments.
Yes, exactly.
10-4. Turkey.
Hello. Thanks.
Good, baby.
Jazz. Ooh, Christmas music too. Okay, Starbucks pickup complete. I got a black iced tea. Connor got a black tea lemonade. How is it? Delish?
Very tasty.
All right, off to Ralph's we go. All right, we're collecting a lot of goods. We started in the cheese aisle, but now we're back on our recipe. We're making a pad thai for the first time, so.
It's gonna be yum.
It's gonna be so good. All right, to the vegetables. Yes, exactly. The spring rolls will be included. All right, we are back at Connor's now, and I thought I would haul everything that I got for you guys quickly. Got some goodies, very excited. As I think I already mentioned, we're making our spring rolls, but we also are going to try to make a pad thai, which is gonna be really yummy. We obviously got some pad thai noodles. These are brown rice pad thai noodles. We got a cucumber. We're gonna use this in the spring rolls. Got some tofu for the pad thai, some shredded carrot for the pad thai. We got some celery that's gonna go into the pad thai. We got some oyster sauce for it. Connor got some salsa. I think that's just for We got some bok choy. I've never cooked with bok choy before, but I love bok choy, so I'm very excited to sort of learn how to. I think you literally just throw it in and it wilts. It's very simple.
And that's the whole point of this meal, right?
Yeah, something new for sure. And then we also got some cheese and olives just to snack on during the day today. So we got a brie. We got this horseradish Havarti, which is so good. I'm so excited that we found that one again. And then just a white cheddar, very simple. And then 2 kinds of olives. We got an Italian olive mix and almond stuffed olives, which are so good. And then I brought a couple things that I already had for our pad thai, like cornstarch, this chili and onion crunch for some chili oil, sesame oil, some coconut aminos. We're gonna use that to sort of sweeten up the pad thai sauce, I think. And then some miso paste to throw in as well. So there you go. That is the whole haul. Oh, and a big thing of baguette. That way we can eat our cheese with it. Yeah. Yeah, you want to set up some cheese now? Mm-hmm. That sounds good. Yeah, we have a nice little eating day ahead, I suppose. Oh, we also got 2 bottles of Velvet Devil, which is one of our favorite wines because it was on sale. So figured might as well.
Great call.
Yeah, that'll be really yummy.
And it's Saturday after all.
Sort of cold.
Mm-hmm. Want me to put the heat on? I've never done that here.
Sort of dramatic to put the heat on, right?
So
Just put a sweatshirt on.
No. We can put the heat on if you want.
No, don't do that.
No.
It's fine. I really don't need it.
Okay.
Oh my god, yes, I forgot. Connor told me that he got these yesterday for us. Lindor chocolates. Oh my god, nothing better. Let's have one right now. I see you have goldfish too.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. Snacks. Mmm. Oh my god.
Good.
That was so good. All right, we got our cheese going here, our bread, and we were trying to find Shrek because we wanted to watch that, but it doesn't seem like we're gonna have luck. We're checking one last place, and if not, then we're gonna watch the live action Mulan because we haven't seen it yet, so that'll be good too.
Thank you for buying, Dylan.
Yeah, exactly. Oh look, we might be able to watch it. Shrek! Yes, this sounds so good. I'm so excited. Guys, we are back in March, basically moral of the story, because Connor and I are going back to Overcooked. Hello? There we are. This game that we played all the time at the beginning of quarantine, and here we are back to it again, so let's see what happens.
Pitter patter. Let's get it.
Test our communication.
Yeah, exactly. This is really a communication relationship game.
100%, it's crazy. Well, we just did a solid, like, I don't know, 2 hours of that game.
2 hours of gaming. Falling Shrek.
It was so fun, though.
Shrek did not disappoint either.
No, Shrek is so good, you guys. Highly, highly, highly recommend you rewatch that. Overcooked brought it, very fun, and
our communications back up.
Thank God.
Yeah.
Only because of that game.
Exactly. Communication.
Communication. And now I think we're gonna watch an episode of The Undoing, and then we're going to start our meal, which I'm very excited about. Both the meal and The Undoing. We have 2 more episodes to go, and then we're gonna finally find out who did it. So I'm assuming that we'll probably finish it like tonight. A lot of people were disappointed with the ending, so I'm like
really
a little nervous. Any predictions before we find out?
It's either Nicole Kidman or Hugh Grant, right?
It has to be, right? I'm suspicious of Nicole Kidman. She's my guess.
She was really scared at the start.
I know.
I do too. I kind of think so.
Yeah, but we'll see. We are ready for our food. I am very excited. How about you, Con?
Yeah, I'm ready to do this.
It's gonna be really good. We have a plan in place. I know it's gonna be so delicious. I'm so excited. We have the fireplace channel on. I think we're gonna play some music and just start making this meal. So we're just starting by like prepping everything. And then I think we're gonna make our spring rolls and then the pad thai. So I'll probably pop in when the actual cooking process begins, because in the meantime, it's just gonna be us chopping. All right, we're about to start on our spring rolls, which we're gonna make first and then move on to the pad thai. We have a lot of stuff prepped here.
The idea is we can finish the spring rolls and then put them in the fridge.
Exactly, and then be able to make the pad thai and come back and it'll all be together. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, we are about to start on the actual pad thai now, which I think will be the more exciting part of this vlog. Because you guys have seen us make these spring rolls a lot, especially recently. We've sort of been on a kick with them, eh?
Yeah.
Been making them quite a bit.
Well, I think since we got it down, it's less laborious.
Yeah, we're like willing to do it more often. We got our tofu. Look at this. Connor made this tofu. It's looking perfect. It smells incredible.
We put it in the sauce.
I'm so excited. Now we're going in with our veg. We have our noodles made. Let's start with some good veg in there. And then we'll throw onions and the peppers in as well, baby.
Oh,
That's amazing.
right?
Yeah,
Look at what Jill is doing over
we were
here.
doing this. Excellent.
We are.
Look at this. So good. That sauce is gonna start to thicken up. Stick to the noodles.
Ooh, yeah, mix it all in.
All right. Okay, finished product, you guys. How good does this
We're
look?
starting to get pretty excited.
I am so excited. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna pull out our spring rolls and we're going to enjoy a homemade Asian feast. Okay, can we talk about this like full meal that we have here right now? How insane is this gonna be?
It's gonna be a pretty great feast.
I know, I cannot wait. I'm actually dying at the thought of this. I am so excited.
I'm surprised with how well it looks like it's turned out.
Yeah, I feel like it's gonna be really, really good.
We weren't getting the color at the start.
Yeah.
We're like, oh God, is it gonna look weird?
But it's great.
Look at that, that looks, oh my God.
Yeah, it's gonna be so good. Well, it's official, we killed it.
It's so good.
It tastes so good, you guys.
Oh man.
Mmm.
How am I gonna eat this bok?
I just usually eat like the whole thing in a bite, to be honest.
I like it. It looks
But,
very
you know.
tasty.
It tastes amazing. But yeah, it is a little cumbersome to eat.
I like it. It's okay. I think I can.
What are you gonna do?
I can handle it.
What are we gonna watch, Con?
Undoing.
The last episode of The Undoing?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. We'll report back with our non-spoiler thoughts because I've heard a lot of different opinions, so very intrigued.
There's also a John Mulaney not too long ago doing SNL. I gotta make sure I'm recording.
Yeah, totally. but I'm sure we can still find it.
You're right.
Okay guys, my camera died last night, so I didn't end the vlog, so I'm just popping in to end it now. That pad thai that we made was so good. I think it's definitely about to enter the rotation because it hit the spot. I can't even tell you guys how delicious this pad thai was. I will try to remember to link the recipe we used down below. It's another hot for food recipe actually, although we did change the recipe. We took some stuff out, added some of our own stuff in, but you can get a general idea of what we did, I think, from that recipe and then sort of customize it yourself. But oh my God, it was so good. And then we finished the undoing, which the ending wasn't like that shocking, I don't think. Like I wasn't like mind blown by it, but it was like very interesting and I did really enjoy the show overall, I think. And then I think we just put on The Office and ended up like falling asleep on the couch, and neither of us remember even like falling asleep last night. I remember moving to bed, but actually falling asleep is just not even in my memory. So it was another exciting Saturday here, clearly. Yeah, but that's it, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another vlog.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?